we'll be dealing with the basics of geometrical optics here. So in today's lecture, we'll be covering 5 to 6 topics. When light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror, or when these two light rays meet, or when two light rays meet, or many light rays meet. So in this lecture, we'll be covering roughly 4 topics. Sign convention is very simple. Anything in the direction of the incident light is taken as positive, and anything against the direction of the incident light is taken as negative. So here we are only dealing with refracted ray, so we can forget about the reflected ray. So this is the incident angle, this is the normal, this is the incident ray, this is the incident angle, this is the refracted angle. Second one is the sun is visible a little before the actual sunrise until a little after the actual sunset due to the refraction of light through the atmosphere. So image formation by convex lenses. So when the object is placed in infinity, all of them converge to a point on the principal axis, that is the focus. They all converge at f2. The next case is when the object is between 2f1 and f1. So when it's between 2f1 and f1, you will find the image to be formed beyond 2f2.